Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to resize a picture in Microsoft Word. So first, open your Word document, then go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online Pictures to insert a picture from online sources. So let's select or insert a picture from online sources. Click on Online Pictures, then select the picture you want to insert and click on Insert. Wait a few seconds. Let's delete this text here. Now click on the picture and go to this icon here and select behind text or in front of text. If you want to move or to reposition the picture. Now to resize the picture, you can drag these points in the corners of the picture, or you can also stretch the picture by dragging the points and the sides, or click on the picture, then go to Format under Picture Tools. And here you can change the height and the width of your picture, or click on this icon here. And now you can check or uncheck the lock aspect ratio. And here we can see the original size, the height, and the width. Let's uncheck this first and change the width and the height. Let's change it to 3, for example. Then click on OK. And you can also right click on the picture and select size and position from the drop down menu. And the same pop-up will appear and you can change the height and the width of your picture. Or just click on reset, then OK to reset the changes. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.